miss you so much. Today we are having surf and turf. Yes, I'm so excited, you guys. It's been so long since I had steak on my channel, and I was craving a piece of steak, so I got this steak from Longhorn. I've never had their steak before. This is a 22-ounce steak. I have two giant lobster tails. They're so big. I don't know how many ounces this is, but this is very big. We have some asparagus. We have our QDQ lemon butter sauce, you guys, and that looks delicious with onions. I did add some onions in there. We have some water, some smart water. We have our Eat with Q apple cider vinegar capsules. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. We're also gonna be doing shout outs today, so I'm excited about doing that as well. I'm gonna do the shout outs towards the end of today's video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. You guys, I'm gonna be honest. That water is so good. Y'all, I almost did not film today. I was just so annoyed. Everything was pissing me off. So I'm better now. So I'm ready to eat. It's good. What should I try first, the lobster or the shrimp or the steak? I knew you were going to say lobster. Oh, I was probably better off just getting one. That thing is huge. Mmm. 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 Wow. Mmm. Mmm. That sauce. That sauce is so good, y'all. That sauce is so good. Mmm. 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 Wow. Mmm. Oh my God. Y'all. I can't wait to give y'all the updated butter. So good. And I like my steak medium well. Mmm. It has mushrooms. Mushrooms and onions. Y'all, I just have to enjoy this real quick. This is so good. It's been months. I mean months. It has been months since I had steak. Mmm. 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 That is so good, you guys. I wish you were here to taste this. Mmm. 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 You know? Mmm. 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 Oh my God. Do you guys like asparagus? I like broccoli. I like broccoli and I like green leafy vegetables like collard greens. I'm not big on spinach. I'll eat it, but I'm not big on it. But one thing you guys don't know about me is I love vegetables. I never had an issue eating vegetables. This is more well done. This is definitely more well done, you guys. I do not like well done. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. Mmm. Mmm. It has like a charcoal taste to it, which is good. But I don't know. I think I like Texas Roadhouse better. Mmm. Mmm. It's good, but it's well done. I asked for medium well. Mmm. 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 There is nothing like nothing like a good juicy steak. So good. But yes, you guys, today started out rough for me. I just felt like everything was going wrong. People getting on my nerves. But I'm better now. I definitely had to push myself today because today was one of those days. Oh my God, that is so good. Whew. Yummy. You guys, look at that steak. Ooh. But overall, I hope you guys are having an amazing week so far. Hang in there. The week will be over soon. Hang in there. To be honest, I like my asparagus a little bit. I like my asparagus a little bit crunchy. Ooh. Y'all, look at that lobster tail. Look at that lobster tail. Honey, that thing is seasoned, okay? I seasoned the mess out of that lobster tail. Look at that. Look at that. This thing is so big. Oh God, y'all. It's my first time having Longhorn. It's good, but I definitely would have liked to see more pink in it. Definitely not enough pink for me. I don't like mine raw. But I used to get my steak well done, and then somebody told me to try it medium well, and I never went back. It's so much more tender at medium well. It's just juicier, and it's just so much better. So if you are going to get a steak and you normally get well done, I definitely recommend trying it at medium well, because that's with a little bit of pink in it. And I think you would like it. Excuse me. Y'all, this is so good. All right, I got a little piece of lobster left. I'm gonna save that. Got a little piece of steak left. I'm gonna save that. I am full, you guys. I will eat another asparagus. So good. All right, you guys, so let's get into these shout outs. I want to thank each and every one of you for supporting me. If I don't mention your name, don't feel bad. Don't feel like I left you out. There's so many people, but I got to get to a few of you. Of course, before I even get to the shout outs, there's always a few people that I always shout out. I want to give a shout out to Jalil Odom. He's been he was like my first subscriber. Excuse me, and he's been with me for so long. I want to give a shout out to Eating It Up with Denise. I want to give a shout out to Jay Blast. That's my baby. I love him. I want to give a shout out to J&A World. Shout out to you. Thank you for supporting me. Shout out to Buddha. Thank you so much for supporting me. Sadie Riley, shout out to you. Tanisha Battle, shout out to you. Real Bella, shout out to you. Sandra T, shout out to you. Mukbang Mojo, shout out to you. Dre, shout out to you. Jamie Cox, shout out to you. Harmony Jones, shout out to you. Trina Collar, shout out to you. Stacy D, shout out to you. Devi Singer, shout out to you, girl. I want to give a shout out to Ree Smith, shout out to you. I want to give a shout out to Amaya Bailey, shout out to you. Hold on, Ryan. Ryan, you can't have any steak, Bubby. I can't give you any steak. I'm sorry. You know you don't eat steak. Timothy Smith, he watches me and comments very often. Thank you so much. I want to give a shout out to Tiara Jones. Shout out to QD Eats TV. Thank you so much for supporting me. CEO Boss, thank you so much for supporting me. Excuse me. Innocent Life, you watch me so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Rising Queen of the DMV, shout out to you, girl. Nikita Jones, shout out to you. Shout out to Emma, shout out to Anna Taylor. Shout out to you, love you, girl. Pamela Thomas, shout out to you. Demiki Smith, she's been with me for a very, I think Demiki's been with me since the very beginning too. Shout out to you, girl. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate my ride or dies. I appreciate y'all so much. I'm definitely gonna be doing more shout outs more often. Memi Barb, shout out to you, love you so much. She's been with me for a long time. Queen B, shout out to you, I love you. Give a shout out to Holly Smack, which is my aunt. Shout out to you, girl. Jaden Banker, shout out to you. Alyssa General, shout out to you. Lovely Hope, shout out to you. Shanika Wagner, shout out to you, girl. KG3, shout out to you. Savannah Banana, shout out to you. Tanya Wallace, shout out to you. Fallon Horton, shout out to you, girl. And that is going to conclude the shout outs for today, you guys. But shout out to everyone who supports me, everyone who's been subscribed to me for however long you've been subscribed to me. I thank you guys for joining this journey with me, you guys. This train is rolling so fast, you guys, and I thank you so much. I've been presented with so many amazing opportunities, and I just thank you guys so much for your support. I really, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate each and every one of you. I don't take you for granted. I love you guys so much. I wish and I can't wait until I can meet you guys and hug you guys and just show you guys how much I appreciate you. But I did decide that once we get to 400K, I'm going to do a really good surprise. I'm going to do a giveaway at 400K, and I'm going to do a giveaway at 500K. So make sure you guys stick around for that. We are almost at 400K, you guys. We just hit 330,000 the other day. So we are almost there. I love you guys. If you guys have not followed me, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you watch me all the time, I don't know why you're not subscribed yet. Go ahead and subscribe, but if you don't want to, that's fine. But I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Will I see you guys tomorrow? I think I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. I love you so much. Bye.